Hey guys, check out this homemade necklace, and we'll be making it today in Art Club with Miss Burford. You'll need a reel of nylon cord, a 30mm washer, and some nail polishes in a variety of colours. We're going to start with our washer laid down flat on a scrap piece of paper so that we don't get nail polish everywhere. And the best thing to do is to start by choosing a background colour, your base colour, which is going to go all the way around your washer, and try and go from the inside to the outside of the washer, following the circular shape. You'll see me doing those brush strokes out towards the edge, and you'll get a nice finish on your necklace. I would like to point out, as we're using nail polishes, this is best to be done in an art club or in small groups of children of about 5 or 6 children maximum, so you can monitor their use of the nail polish, and also in a well ventilated area, so with a window open or outside on the field in the summer is a good idea. Once you've done the background colour, leave it to dry for about 5 minutes, and that will make it just tacky, and you can start working on whatever design you'd like to add to it. So I did dots because we were looking at pointillism, but you could also do geometric shapes and look at things like what the Mayans might have done, or Egyptians, related to whichever topic you're doing. You can pretty much include it in your topic. You could relate it to a certain artist, so doing it in a certain art style. It's like Mondrian, you could do the primary colours and the straight black edges and the white blocks as well. But these make such lovely gifts for Christmas or for Mother's Day. But you can really relate it to what you're doing in art and make it as a thoughtful gift too. If you have any nail art tools, you could bring these into class to use so you can get finer details on your necklace. However, we usually work okay with just using the brushes in the nail polish themselves. You can also use finer brushes, again, to get more detail. I pre-cut all of the necklace lengths earlier, so each child gets the same length. I cut them to 24 inches, and that way it's enough to slip over the head. You'll just need to fold the cord in half, and then you're going to thread it through the centre of the washer with that loop still there, and as that loop goes through the centre of the washer, you're going to pull the 2 loose ends and thread them through that loop and pull it tight. This will hold the pendant on the end of the necklace in place. Look at that shine on the washer from the nail polish. It gives it a great finish. So you don't need to add anything like PVA glue. The nail polish will give it that great sheen that you need. And on the other end of the cord, you're just going to tie it into a knot, pull that tight, and then that should be long enough for you to just slip over your head and be a good length to sit around your neck. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art lessons like this every week and other art related content every now and then. See you next week for more Art Club with Miss Burford.